suspension system of your vehicle is made up of various components, including shocks and struts, which attach the wheels to the vehicle, giving you a much smoother ride. Worn out shocks and struts can affect other parts of your suspension system, so it is very important to maintain these components. Hi, I'm Jeremy Shore with eHow.com. To get the best information possible, I visited my good friend Gary at McSpadden's Automotive this morning. Let's go have a look. So how does maintaining your shocks and the rest of the suspension system really just help your driver's experience?
Well, with a new set of shocks, you could actually see that the vehicle would stop up to 10 feet shorter on normal driving conditions. In addition to that, it helps the vehicle keep all four corners, all four tires, if you will, planted firmly on the surface of the road.
So does this actually make the car more efficient?
It will make it more efficient if the weight is distributed using the shocks in all four corners of the vehicle, and again, all four tires firmly planted on the ground. It actually makes the vehicle not only more aerodynamic, but more stable. So it's important to keep in mind, the shocks have over 1,750 stabilizing actions per mile.
Wow. So if my shocks are worn, can that actually affect other parts of my car?
It certainly can. Not only can it affect the braking, it can affect the bushings, and it can affect the bearings. All suspension-related components, all of those can easily be affected by wear and tear on the shocks.
So that can be costly.
Can be costly, can certainly add up if you don't give the shocks the attention they deserve.
What about the rest of can the actual frame, the tires, the alignment, things like that, can they go because the shocks and struts going bad?
Absolutely. You can also wear the tires prematurely. The alignment on the vehicle can wear prematurely. Just everything on the vehicle can wear prematurely, all the way down to as simple as an interior rattle noise.
Wow. Thanks so much, Gary. That was really helpful.
Thank you, Jeremy. Have a good day.
Take care.
Thanks.
You too. This has been how do new shocks improve a car suspension system. I'm Jeremy Shore with eHow.com. Thanks for stopping by.